Hi everyone, my name is Rose and I'm here to take you mathematics. So when you see a question like this, what comes to your mind? Yeah, we have pairs and we have an equal sign, so it's equations involving indices. Now first things first, we said as always, deal with your bracket. Okay, so now we have this multiplying 3. Let's see how we'll do that. So the power 3 is multiplying x plus 1, right? And then you still have 2x minus 4. Let's open this bracket. You have 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. Then you have this 1. Now when we do this, or when we do something like this, you see that there is nothing to do further on the left hand side and on the right hand side. And we also see that we have the same basis. So what do? We equate the base, which means this base goes, because it's equal, that means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. We want a situation where the things that look alike come together, right? So this has x, this has x, they should come together. This doesn't have x, this doesn't have x, they should stay together. Just watch me, yeah? So you have 3x, this crosses, because there's a positive sign here, it becomes a negative sign because it crosses to the other side to meet this one. And then you have this one crossing to meet minus 4. I hope you got that. So 3x minus 2x is x, because 3 minus 2 is 1, and then you have x, so there's a 1x. We do not write 1. And then you have minus 3 minus 4 to give minus 7. So we're being told that x is 7. Excuse me, we're being told that x is minus 7. Can we check if we're correct? Let's do it. We have this 3, x is minus 7 plus 1, all raised to the power of 3, right? So we have 3 minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6, all raised to the power of 3. So we have 3 minus 6 times 3 is minus 18. That's for the left hand side. Now let's check if it satisfies the right hand side. So we have 3, 2. Wherever you see x, you put the value for x, minus 7, and then you have minus 4, right? So 2 times minus 7 is minus 14, minus 4. And then you have minus 14 minus 4 to give you minus 18. So since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, the value of x is correct and you can submit your answer. See you in the next class.